my God. Pull all this off. There's a gasket that sits underneath that. We're gonna pull intake manifold out. I discovered those are rats nesting in here. So I'm gonna get a blade, scrape all that out, vacuum all of that out. That could have caught fire. That would have caught fire. Take back in. Be careful pulling these out. For the better or the worst. What? That's new. The fact that this thing is still running, still kicking, and knocking means that it still could go somewhere. God. All right, I'm gonna end it here because it's just bumming me out even more.